Hey guys, Mark Lacey here from ARB Coopers Plains. Well, as you know, we've been renovating over the last 3 months and we're pretty excited to say that through thick and thin we've pulled it off. Here we are with a brand new ARB flagship store right here in Coopers Plains. The shelves are packed full of goodies for your 4x4 and your next big adventure. The team and I are really excited, really passionate about this store. We would love to see you walk through that door. Whether you're a seasoned off-roader or you're just starting out, you may or may not know of ARB Coopers Plains. Well, we're standing here at the moment on our trip track, or you may know us by our boab trees or big bottle trees out the front. But either way, if you're driving down Boundary Road now or Beaudesert Road and you don't see that, you shouldn't be driving a four-wheel drive. I challenge you to come on in, we've got plenty of parking, have a good look around, love to see you in store.